Welcome back. If you're looking to learn Lightning Web Components, or LWC, in Salesforce, you're about to dive into the future of front-end development on the platform. But before you open up VS Code and start typing, there are a few core concepts you absolutely need to nail down. The first step is mastering the foundational trinity of web development. LWC is built on web standards, so proficiency here isn't optional, it's essential. First, HTML. You need to understand how to structure your components template. Learn tags like, and critically, how to use HTML attributes. The HTML file is the skeleton of your component. Second, CSS. This is the skin and style of your component. You must know selectors, the box model, especially padding and margin, and how to apply basic styling. A simple understanding of flexbox or grid will be a massive advantage. Third, JavaScript. This is the brain. You need to be comfortable with modern JavaScript. This includes const and let, arrow functions, promises, and the concepts of modules and imports or exports. LWC uses these features heavily. Next, LWC lives on the Salesforce platform, so you need to understand how it communicates with the backend. Fourth, Apex programming. Your LWC components will often need to read or write data. This is done through Apex classes. You need to know how to write an Apex controller, specifically focusing on Aura-enabled methods. These are the public methods that your LWC component will call to interact with the database. Fifth, SOQL and DML. When your Apex method runs, it needs to query records using Salesforce Object Query Language and manipulate them using DML operations like insert, update, and delete. This is how you access your Salesforce data. Sixth, Salesforce security and governor limits. You must be aware of field-level security and create, read, update, delete permissions. Your LWC or Apex code needs to respect the running user's permissions, and your Apex must handle governor limits effectively, especially when dealing with large volumes of data. LWC promotes a component-based architecture. This is where you shift your thinking from building one massive page to building small, reusable, isolated units. Seventh, the component model. Think Lego bricks. Each LWC component is an independent, self-contained unit with its own HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You combine these smaller components to build larger, complex applications. Eighth, component communication. This is one of the trickiest parts for beginners. How do two components talk to each other? You must understand the concept of public properties, that is passing data down from parent to child, and custom events, that is passing data up from child to parent. Ninth, JavaScript modules and scoping. Remember we talked about ES6? Every LWC is a module. You need to know how to import functions and variables from other components or utility files, and how to export them for others to use. This keeps your code clean and organized. So, to recap, before you start coding your first LWC, make sure you're solid on HTML, CSS, and modern JavaScript. Understand how to write secure Aura-enabled Apex methods, and think in terms of reusable components and how they communicate. Mastering these prerequisites will make your LWC learning curve much smoother and more enjoyable. If this video helped you, Hit that like button and subscribe for more Salesforce development content. Let me know in the comments which topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Appreciate if you can like, comment, and share this video.